Welcome to the official Microsoft Certification Training Program, an industry career program in cloud, data, AI, and cybersecurity by the Baroda Institute of Technology. This program includes instructor-led training, hands-on labs and projects, placement support, and can be done in online or offline mode. The program overview highlights how it empowers careers through Microsoft technology mastery. It is ideal for engineering and CS students, software developers, data analysts, system administrators, and career switchers into IT. A Microsoft certification provides global industry standard recognition, accelerates your career, validates practical skills, and promotes enterprise dominance. Certified professionals earn 21% more than their non-certified peers on average, proving higher salary potential. The certification framework follows a role-based path. It begins with fundamentals, a beginner level, with no prerequisites. Next is the associate level, focused on job role-specific technical skills. Finally, the expert level validates mastery in complex solutions for advanced professionals. The Azure Cloud and DevOps catalog covers fundamental, associate, and expert exams, including AZ-900 for Azure Fundamentals and AZ-204 for developing solutions for Microsoft Azure. These prepare students for roles like Cloud Beginner, Azure Administrator, and DevOps Engineer. The Data and Analytics exam catalog includes DP900 for Azure Data Fundamentals and Place 300 for Power BI Data Analyst. Other options prepare you for roles like Data Engineer and Enterprise Analyst, offering pathways for various data-focused career goals. The AI and Power Platform catalog includes exams like AI 900 for AI Fundamentals and Place 100 for Power Platform App Maker. The curriculum spans beginner to expert levels, preparing students for roles such as AI engineer, RPA developer, and solution architect. The Security and Microsoft 365 exam catalog covers exams like SC 900, MS 900, and AZ 500. Certification paths can lead to roles such as Security Beginner, M365 Administrator, and Security Operations Analyst. These role-based learning pathways offer structured certification roadmaps. They cover Cloud Engineer, Data Analyst, AI Engineer, and Cybersecurity roles. BIT provides detailed study plans, lab checklists, and weekly milestones for each track. The Azure Cloud Engineer training syllabus includes modules on cloud and Azure Core, compute services, storage solutions, and networking. It also covers identity and security, and automation and DevOps. Projects include deploying a production-grade 3-tier app and securing a hybrid network. The Data Analytics and Power BI syllabus focuses on data fundamentals, Power Query, and data modeling with DAX. Additional modules cover visualization and reports, Power BI service, and advanced analytics. Hands-on projects include an executive sales dashboard and HR attrition analysis. The Data Engineering syllabus includes Azure Data Compute, storage and partitioning, and data orchestration. It also covers data transformation, security and monitoring, and batch and stream processing. Capstone projects include building a batch and streaming pipeline and implementing medallion architecture. The AI Engineer syllabus covers Azure AI Fundamentals, computer vision, and natural language processing. Other modules include conversational AI, Azure OpenAI Service, and knowledge mining. Projects focus on creating a smart retail chatbot and a document intelligence pipeline. The Cybersecurity Engineer syllabus is built around security fundamentals, Azure Platform Security, and identity and access. It also includes society operations, data and app security, and compliance and governance. Hands-on projects simulate securing an enterprise landing zone and a society threat detection lab. The BIT training experience offers a comprehensive learning environment with instructor-led training, flexible online and classroom modes, small batches, and mentorship support. The LMS portal is your 24/7 digital companion, providing recorded lectures, course materials, lab exercises, certification tests, assignments, and progress tracking. The program helps you master industry-standard tools across 4 key areas. Cloud and DevOps skills include Azure Portal and Kubernetes. Data and BI focuses on Power BI and SQL Server. AI and automation covers Azure AI Services and Power Automate. Security includes Defender for Cloud and Azure Firewall. Apply your skills with portfolio-ready case studies. Examples include Enterprise Cloud Migration, Retail Sales BI Dashboard, HR Workflow Automation, and SOC Incident Response Playbook. These capstone projects require GitHub submission for review. Certified professionals are in high demand among top hiring companies like Accenture, TCS, Infosys, and IBM. The average annual salary range in India for roles like data analyst and cloud engineer shows significant potential for both entry-level and mid-level professionals. This video compares cloud platforms, highlighting Microsoft Azure's strengths for enterprise integration and security. The BIT learning tracks include Microsoft Azure Cloud Engineer, Data Analytics, AI Engineer, and Cybersecurity. Students select one specialized track to focus on and benefit from live mentoring and placement support. The BIT placement pathway is a structured 7-step journey, moving from foundation and certification to building your portfolio and profile. Subsequent steps cover interviews, opportunities, and finally, success with job offers and onboarding. Career transition options are available for various backgrounds. Our industry-recognized certification, in association with IIT Patna, offers high credibility and career growth potential. Students report excellent training, effective project-based learning, and confidence for the Microsoft exam. Start your Microsoft